welcome to the ultimate heartbeat of Palermo. This is the house that was built earlier, so it's kind of old, so it's not new. Earlier. This is the flower, the famous one. That is the Palermian horse, and it was made earlier. It's kind of old and heavy. This is the building one. Old. There is the things, the culverts. This is the other building. It was built in old days, not new days. It's old days building. It's brown. There is reading Biblioteca Nazionale, so maybe this was the book shelter built by the Nazis. There is camera, surveillance camera there. It's a camera. The lion one. It lights when you touch it. You know, touching.
Tähän helvetin pitkä katu.
Here, the local food here is the same that is the Finnish local food. So the hamburger. Bonjour, everybody. Safety first. We always have in Palermo here. This is the training one. The train was built 100-800 century. It's very old, so it's not new. There is the railway. The island here is because the lady prison there many years ago. The island is old. It's very old, so it's not new. And it's built human. Caesar old. This is the tunnel one. It's very famous. This is the local tradition food, and we must eat it with the beer. This is the thing where there's a flower there, and because it was the very famous flower, now it's somewhere else now. This is the famous flower at Olk, and this is the Pilari one. Ari the Verzi. Hello, and this is the Palermian Christmas tree. Sometimes in Palermo people sit at the table and talk. In Palermo people eat peanuts. There is a boat in Palermo also, and I see the boat in Palermo also. There is this sea, the Välimeri Sea, and it's a big sea. There are another one. This is the Christmas, another tree, decorated. In Palermo, people swim the ocean. They go ocean and here we are in the mountain. The mountain. The bells ring. There is also a train, and with the train I will know Roma. You sometimes have to sit in the train by yourself. In Italia people sometimes arrive. This is the lion one. There was sometimes many lions and giants. So here we are in Villa Latte, and I live here for a couple of days. But look here, the gate and the wheels. The wheels. It's not the new one. It's the famous wheels. Wheel turn. Here in Rome, the dragon vomits. Here in Rome, the wine glass is are so thin that they make the sound. We are in the train and this is the Milano train and there is a window. And here we are in Milano station. Bye bye. Here we are back in the Finland and the weather is shit.